Okay, Jay. Hello.
Only involved.
How's life today, Jay?
Good. Kalau gitu.
What? Just good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Smart.
So today we are gonna prepare about for your math test, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I I have I have some question about that, and then before we start our meeting today, let's pray first. Okay. So let's pray together.
Pernah baca itu enggak?
Amin.
Min.
Okay, Jay. Because this lesson is about preparation, math preparation. So before we start our meeting, do you want to play some game or we just jump into the question?
Jump to the question.
Okay, we just jump to the question now. Okay, let me share screen first. Wait. Okay, Jay, have you seen my screen?
Yes.
Okay, let's start our lesson today. So this is all about your topic of your mathematics test. Okay, this is the first one. Okay, have you learned about the integers in word problem, Jay?
What, Miss?
Have you learned about the integers but in the word problem? Like
Like
this.
this? Like this question?
Yeah, like this question. So can you do this question?
Yeah.
Okay, so please do this question. What is the answer?
5 degree.
5 degree. Why? Why the result is 5 degree?
Because -3 minus by 8 it's equal to 5.
-3. Oh, okay, wait ya. I will write.
Tolong bilang Mas, Mama ada kirimkan. Miss,
Ya.
Mama ada kirimkan soal latihan dari teacher. Mama ada kirimkan soal dari teacher.
Oh iya, wait ya. I will check this first.
Ya, itu. Ya, lu translate bahasa Inggris dong.
Oh, if like that, we just, okay, we just drew this ya. Okay, I will, wait. Let me prepare.
Karena kamu nggak izin.
Okay. Eh, okay. We just go to this question. Okay, have you seen my screen, Javir?
Not yet. Okay, ready.
Okay. Okay. From the number one. Okay. How about number one? Find the output when the input is 3.
-2
-2, why?
because 3 plus -5 equal to -2.
Yeah, perfect, Jay. And then how about the second?
7
7, why?
because 12 plus 5 -5 equal to 7.
No, you have to read this carefully. Find the input when the output is 12. The output is 12. You have to find the input.
-7
-7, why?
because when we add 12 in -5, it's equal to -7.
Okay, wait, yeah, wait a minute. When I place -7 here, so what is the output? What it that should appear there?
-12.
Yeah, -12. So here I want the output is just 12 without negative.
Uh, 7
7. Okay, if I place 7 here, I place 7 in input. So what is the answer from the for the output? It
12
should be it should
12
be Are you
12
sure? No. 7 minus 5 is,
2.
yeah, the output should be 2. But now I want the output is 12. So please think again. What the input that I can get the output is 12. Okay, output is 12. So how can you, or you want to, you want to some clue? You want to know some clue?
Already know.
Okay.
17
17. Why?
because 17 minus 5 is 12.
Okay, perfect, Jay. Okay, so tomorrow if you do the task, please read the question carefully, yeah. And then you don't answer, you don't answer just answer, but before you answer on your paper, you have to read again, and you have to think again. You have to rethink, is that answer correct or not? Okay,
Okay.
okay. Okay, this from the first question. Is there any question about this?
No.
Okay, let's jump into the second. Wait. Okay, number 2. What is the result of the the point A and the point B?
200.
Huh?
200.
200. Perfect. And then how about the B?
-21.
-21. Okay, perfect. Okay. And
Wow.
then how about the number 3?
40%.
40%.
Percent.
Okay, why? The result is 40%.
Because to make 0.4 into percentage, you need to times by number that can make it no decimal by
Okay.
10.
You need to times
By 10.
you need to time by tens. Okay, perfect. And then how about the number 4?
Wait. Zero point 0.8.
0.8.
8.
Why?
Because 4 divided by 50 is 0.8.
4 divided by 50 is 0.8. Okay. Is it right? Wait. I will check from the calculator.
Buat yang tap itu kan ada pakai yang jadi gini. Ya.
I think you need to. Kenapa? Why?
Nothing.
Okay. I think you need to recheck again. Is that correct? The answer is 0.8 or not? Okay. How did you solve this? Can you show me on the screen?
Wait. It's hard to show it
No,
because
no.
I
Can you just write on the screen there?
okay. Hmm. Okay.
Okay. Wait a minute. To check whether your answer is correct or not, you can multiply your answer. Okay. You can multiply your answer and this. Okay. Please multiply 0.8 times 50. What is the result?
Wait, miss. 400, miss.
Oh,
Correct.
what is that? not, not okay, okay, okay. Okay, let me explain about this. Yeah, wait. Okay, I will. Okay, 4 divided by 50. Okay, okay. What the number that you have to place here?
0.
0, and then
After 0,
but
we put
if you add 0 here, why did you add 0 here? Because
because 50 can times by 4, so just times by 0.
okay, so you need to if you add 0 and point, don't forget 0 and point, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. If you add 0 and point here, you need to add 0 after 4. Okay. Okay. It 40 can be divided by 50.
No.
No, if no, you need to add 0 again. So you will have 400. Is that right?
Yeah.
So if you add 0 here, if you add 0 here, you need to add 0 again in the answer. Okay, get it?
Get it.
Yeah, so don't forget, yeah, if you need to add the zero again, you need to add zero again in the answer. If you add zero in the on the bracket, you need to add zero on the top. It's like that, okay? Get it?
Okay.
Yeah,
Yes.
so 400 divided by 50 is
0.08.
yeah 0.08. Okay, get it?
Get it.
Okay, don't forget, yeah, Jay. Okay, and then how about the number 5? Can you just try on a screen? Okay, or you just say and then I will write how did you solve.
Okay.
Okay, what is the result of point A?
Wait. 5. 5 over 112.
5 over
5. Yes. 5. 5 over
oh
12.
5 over 112. Why? The result is that.
Because 2 plus 3 equal to 5.
Yeah, and then
And then we need to times it because mm,
you just add one. You just add 1 per 6 and 5 per 12. Is that right?
yeah,
Yeah, so why the denominator is until 112?
I think we need should times it.
We need to times it like what? Jeffrey, can you just solve on the screen so I can see your solving? Can you?
Yeah.
Okay, can you show me please? Show me your work here. Because I think if yeah you correct you have 5 whole for the whole, and then you just add 1 over 6 plus 5 over 12 here. Okay, so what the LCM here?
The LCM is 12.
12. Okay, so if you have the LCM is 12, so what number that I have to put here?
2.
2, and then
5.
5, and then what is the result?
7 over
Yeah, 7 over 12. So you will have 5, 1, 5, 7 over
12.
12. Okay, get it?
Get it.
Okay, so now please solve just on the screen, Jeffrey, so I can see where is the incorrect way of your solving. Okay, how about the second? Is there any problem, Jay?
No.
Okay. 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 What is this? What is this, J?
55 over
Fifth
140.
140. Okay, with J, with J. I want to check this again. Wait. Okay, please. 9 and 55 over 100.
140. 40.
140. Wait. 140. Is it right?
Yeah.
Why 140, J?
Because 70 plus 70 is 140.
Oh my God, don't forget J to the fraction. I think you have been expert before when we talk about fraction. Okay, don't forget. You just can add the numerator just for the numerator. Okay, J?
Okay.
Denominator, you cannot add or subtract that. So, if you add 20 per 70 plus 35 per 70, you just can add for the numerator. Okay, what is the result? 55 per, and then for the denominator, you cannot add or subtract. Okay, what is the result of the denominator?
70.
Yeah, 70. Okay, don't forget
Yeah.
ya. If for the addition and subtraction, just this, okay? Just for the addition and subtraction, you cannot operate, you cannot add or you cannot subtract the denominator. But if for multiplication, you can multiply the numerator and the denominator. Get it?
Get it.
Yeah, don't forget ya, Jay. Okay, let's continue to the next. Okay, how about the number 6? Please solve on the screen, Jay. Okay. Okay, perfect. Okay, and then sebentar. Okay, perfect. And then how about the number 7? Okay, this radius, and then how about the chord? Hmm. And then what is tangan? What is that?
Tangen.
Okay, perfect. Okay, and then how about number 8? Please solve on the screen, Jay. Okay, and then
Mm, I don't understand, Miss.
Huh? Okay. The thing is, it's just like the addition of fraction, just like this. One. Okay. Just do like this. Find the LCM. Can you? Okay. I will give some clue. If this is just number, right? This is not fraction. Okay. Is that fraction or number?
Number.
Number. Okay. So if you find number, and then operated by subtraction, is that addition or subtraction? You need to change from the number to the fraction. If just number, if I just say 14, it same as 14 per 1. This is the fraction form of number. Okay, so what do you have here?
14/1.
Ya, 14/1. Mati lampu. Ih, mati lampu semua lagi. Kayaknya semuanya deh, soalnya yang lain juga. Nggak apa-apa, abis ini kita pergi. Oke, I'm sorry, Jay.
Yeah, it's
Oke,
okay.
please do. Okay, so if you have 14 per 1, so how? You need to find the LCM of 1 and 4. What is that?
4.
4. And then how? Please continue. Are you sleepy, Jay?
No, I'm just a little bit confused.
Oh, confused about what?
This.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, 14 minus P per 4. Okay, I will ask to you. Where did you find 12 here?
Here.
Yeah, why did you write 12? Yeah, from here. So, what is the confused? What is the confused thing?
How to minus it?
Oh, how to minus it? So, it just like fraction. You have 14 per 1 minus 12 per 4. And then you just find the LCM about 1 and 4. You have 4, right, for the LCM? Is it right?
Yeah.
So you have 4 here minus 4. So what the number that you have to place here and here? Kok 12? 4. I mean 4. Okay. What the number that I have to place here? The first one here. You have 14 per 1 minus 12 per 4. Okay. And then if you get the denominator for the first fraction is 4, so what is the numerator? It's just same as this. You find the LCM is 12, so you just times all the numerator and denominator by 2, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so how about this? It's the same. If you find the denominator 4, so what do you need to times here?
Times by 4.
Yeah, also 4. So what is the numerator? What is the number that I have to multiply to the numerator?
Mm,
If
56.
I multiply 4 to the denominator, so I have to play 2 times 4 again for the numerator. Is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so what is the answer?
50. And then
Fif
6.
40. Wait. 40 times 4. What is the result?
56.
Yeah, 56. And then what is the second numerator for the second fraction?
Mm, the
Okay.
second
Okay. Yeah. From the second fraction, this.
one is still the same.
Yeah, still the same. What the number?
12.
12. Get perfect. And then what is the result? 54 minus 12.
Mm, 42.
40.
2.
42 per
4.
4. Why 4, not 0?
Because the denominator stay the same.
Yeah, because the denominator is still the same because they are subtraction, yeah.
Yeah.
Don't forget for subtraction and addition. Okay. From this, are you still confused?
Not really.
I'm not really okay. To fix the to know that you still confused or not, please do the number 9. It's just same as the number 8. Okay, please do the number 9. Just do on the screen, yeah, so I can see where is the incorrect one.
Miss,
Yeah,
I have a question. Can we back go the number 8?
the number 8. Okay. Wait. Okay, the number 8, and then
Can we do this method, Miss? Like, this is 12.
mm-mm.
Like, 12 times how many? 4 times how many to become 12? Times by 3.
Ah.
Berarti, sini.
So you
Hmm,
have 14 minus 12 per 4, and then dikali 3, and then
wait. And then the 3 minus by 4. 14 is still
the,
the same answer.
the 3 minus by 14.
Yeah.
Wait, I have to check this first because I think I just found this way. Wait, yeah. Let's go. Oh, where did you find this way?
Uh,
From where?
when I just knew it, like, when I was like times, I knew it. We can do this like that.
Hmm. No. You cannot do that way. Okay? You cannot do that way, Jeffrey.
But when I do in number 9, it's still make the answer. The answer is 4.
The answer is 4.
Yeah, for number 9. I use my method.
Wait, let me check with my method. 70 per 10 minus 3.
Like 10 times how many become 7? That 70. 7. After that, 7
Okay.
minus 3.
Okay. Wait. Kali 3. Apa 7? Tadi gimana? 7 minus
Like
10.
10 times how many to become 70?
Okay, and then I have
7
7.
and minus by 3.
7 minus by 3. So
Yeah,
I
by
just get 4 here.
yeah, I got 4.
Yeah, but the what is that? But the oh iya bener ding. 10. Jawabannya 4. Is that correct too for the number 8?
Yeah,
For number 8, I think I'm not sure for that, Jafir, but I think where did you get that from Google or from teacher or where?
from teacher.
Oh, from teacher. Okay, if from teacher, I think that correct too. Okay, Jay. I think we just have the different way for yeah. Okay, just use your teacher way. Okay, that's correct too. Okay, Jay. And then how about the number? Oh, anyway, did you did you do this one before?
This.
This file. This
Yeah,
this,
I already do it.
you have done.
Yeah.
Anyway, your mom give me three tasks, three file. Did
Yeah,
you do
and I already do all in school.
what?
I already do all in school. Look,
Oh, you already do all in school with teacher or just by
with
yourself?
with teacher, we review with teacher.
Oh, you review this by with teacher, and then do you want to review it again with me?
Yeah,
Oh,
because
okay.
teacher say, review maybe this will become
Okay. Okay, and then how about the number 10?
number 10, 2.
Number 10? Oh yeah, two. And then what is about the B?
The B 1, 2, 3, 4, 8.
What is the symbol?
X 8.
X?
8.
Wait. The option B? How about the option B?
What is?
How about the option B?
Yeah, X 8. 8.
What is the in inequality symbol? I
Um,
just write X here.
yeah, just like that.
Huh? Is that right? I think no. I think you need to check again. Because the
Oh yeah,
question.
no, this one.
Okay. And then are you sure the number is 8?
Yeah,
Why 8? Because this sign in the 2, number 2.
because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Hmm. Okay. For number 8 is
2.
2. Okay, 2 because okay, wait. I think I think no, Jafir. J. No.
Yeah,
The option B, look at the option B. To answer the question, you don't need to count all the number of this, of all the digit of there. Okay. The thing is, you need to know where is the point is appear. Where is that? In the
in the
number?
2. 2.
In the two. Okay. So if in the two, is it fill the circle is filled by color or not?
Not.
No, okay. So the inequality is correct. You use this, okay? But the number that you use is not 8, but the number that the circle is appear. Where's that?
2.
2, also 2. Yeah, correct. So and then 2 here in the option A, Jafir, in the option A, the 2 here is not because you count 1 2, not about that, but because the circle, yeah, the circle here is appear on the 2. So the inequality, you need to use number 2 for the inequality, okay? And then the sign of the inequality is correct because the number that you use here in here, okay? And all number is greater than 2. Get it?
Get it?
And this one is also correct because you use this sign because this number, all the number here
Yeah.
is less than 2. Get it? Don't forget to use the number that appears circle there. Okay? Get it? Is there any
Okay.
question? Okay, and then how about this? The number C.
9.
9. What is the sign inequality sign?
Mm. equal 9.
Equal 9. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Inequality is inequality because this is inequality. So you will never find equal there because that inequality. You just can use this or this because that is inequality.
Mm,
So what is the sign that you will use, A or B? The area in the question is here. Is okay. You first thing first, you need to know what is the number that the circle stand. It. What is the number?
9 in 9.
9. Okay, please write 9 here. Okay, so after that, we need to find the inequality sign. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay, so what is the sign? Okay, for the first thing, please look at the number after the circle is standard here. Okay, what is the number after the circle?
10.
10, because don't forget, yeah, if the if the area is here, because this is you have the ray, this ray. Okay, you look if you look this ray to there to the right. Okay, so the number that you have to look is the number after the 9. But if the sign like this, the ray to the left, like the number B. Okay, so the
Yeah.
number that you have to look is the number before the circle. Okay. Okay, so if 10 is greater than 9 or not?
Yeah, it's greater than 9.
Greater than 9. So what is the sign? Is that A or B? Is that A this or B?
Uh, it's B.
B, are you sure?
B.
A, okay. So because X is, X here, X is mean all the number that on the right. Okay, is that 10 or 11 or 12 or etc. So if this 10, so the number is just 10. And X for the B, what is the X for the B? 1 and
And when
0.
0.
Okay, so 1 and 0. And then what is the number, what is the X of the A? What is the number of the A? Oh, what is the number? What is the number of
3.
the X in A?
3.
3, and then all the
3
numbers
and
3,
3,
4.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah, all the number there. Okay. So
Okay.
you can use 2 here, and then you can use sign greater than here because all the number here is greater than 2.
Okay.
And also in the B option, okay, in the B option, you use less than 2 because all the number here is less than 2. Is it right?
Right.
And also in the second is the C option. Okay, in the C option, all the number here is greater than 9.
In,
Okay, get it?
get it.
Okay, so how about this? If I have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and then my ray is on here. Okay, so what is the inequality?
This. Eh. This.
Huh? Please write all like this. There is X, there is sign, and there is the number.
X.
Mm-mm.
E.
Okay, why? Why the result is this?
Because mm, we, the less number than 3 is 2 and 1. And 3 is
Okay.
still the biggest.
Okay, and then how if my circle is in here? 7, and then like that.
Then this cell X.
X greater than 7?
No. Sorry. Like this.
Okay, perfect, Jay. Okay, get it about this?
Get it?
Okay, let's continue to the next. Okay. Is there any question about the first
No.
math review? Okay. Let's check to the next math review. Wait, where's that? I think. Okay, have you seen the math review too? Okay, Jay. Okay, please do the number 1.
This.
Please do the number 1. Yeah, and then smallest integer. Are you sure?
Wait, times it first. I have to sit first. Okay.
Okay, why? Is the result that?
Because negative 15 when meet negative 20, the negative will become plus. So 15
Negative,
plus
negative. Is that a multiplication, Jay?
no.
No, so how?
Uh,
This
uh,
multiplication, so you cannot use that concept. But the answer is correct. This one, okay. But
oh,
why?
because 15 plus by negative 20, it's negative 35.
Yeah, negative 35. So negative 35, and then the other is plus, yeah.
Yeah.
So if plus meet negative, so the smallest one is the negative number. Okay.
Okay.
Is that right, or do you understand, or is it something problem?
No.
Okay. So, and then I think I need to check about. Wait. I will search.
Miss,
Hmm.
uh, what if like number one, go back to number one, miss.
Okay. Go back to number 1, and then
What if uh there's some question like this? What is the answer?
that's answer.
Yeah, the answer is
What
it
is,
the
what
answer
is
is
okay?
is it the answer
How
is
about
38?
38? Yeah. 38.
28.
28.
28,
Yeah. Huh? 28 or 38?
28, 28.
28. Okay. And then what is the
Eh,
question?
yeah, 28.
Yeah. And then what is the question?
So if the negative smallest, it will become positive, yeah, miss.
Yeah. Because positive and negative, if the negative is smallest, so there is like reminder for the positive. Is that right?
Oh, okay. Udah.
Yeah. And then if the what is that? If the positive and positive, you will find positive, and then if positive and negative, it depend on the negative and
Biggest.
positive number. Oh, it depend on the big number. What is the big number? If the big number is negative, so the result is negative, and the big number is positive, so the result is positive. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so and then how about the number? This. Wait. Okay, just do the number. Just number 2 lah. Number 2, J.
It's a fraction.
Yeah. Okay, and then
And then we should divide, right?
simplify, yeah, divide. Divide to the number, to the LCM of their number.
Mm,
LCM or FPB. GCD. Find the GCD of their number.
I don't understand, Miss.
Okay. The first thing, you have to find the GCD. Yeah? Okay.
This,
What is
what
the
is this?
number that the
Oh,
greater common
oh,
division?
great.
Greatest common division, okay. Okay, and then for this one, what is the GCD? Or you have to find the number that can divide it to this number and the second number. You can try to the number, to the smallest number first, like 5. Okay, because if 2, you cannot divide this by 2, right?
Yeah.
Because this is odd number. Yeah. And then for 3, can this divided by 3? I think no.
Yes. Eh, no, no, no.
No. And then you can, if this number, the last digit of the number is 5, okay? So you always can divide it by 5. And also this, if last number is 0, so
Oh,
you always can be divide, so you can always divide this number by 5. Okay.
okay.
Okay, so what is, if I divide it by 5 to all number,
Mm,
625 bagi 5.
wait. 125.
Yeah, 125, and then per 1000 divided by 5.
Per 200.
Yeah, 200. And then you have to divide it again by the number that can divide it to all the number. Okay, because the first place is the first place for this number digit, the last digit is 5. Okay, so you can divide it by 5, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you can divide it all by 5 again. Okay, what number did you
25. Oh,
25. And then what is the denominator?
the denominator 40.
40. Okay, and then can you divide it by 5 again?
Yes.
Yeah, so what fraction that you get?
5/8.
5/8, correct. So the last fraction that you get is, and the simplest fraction is 5 over.
5/8.
Okay, like this, get it?
Get it?
So the thing is, you just find the number that can divide it to all the numerator or the denominator. Get it?
Get it?
To to find the symbols from. Okay. If you find like this or something like, eh, if you find for the like this, nah, like this too. Okay, please find the symbols from of this.
The simplest form is
Find the number that can divide it to all.
divided by 2.
Yeah. Okay, you can search from the smallest number one. No, without one, yeah, 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or etc. And then you can go to the greater number.
Divide by 2
Okay.
and 3.
Okay, and then can you divide it again?
No.
Okay, like that, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, and then how about the number two? The number three.
Mm. Mm. This one. This
Okay,
one.
okay. Please check this first. Let me check first. 12. I think you need to recheck about this. Okay, not there. The bracket.
Ah,
Not there. Eh, wait. Oh iya, perfect,
yeah,
perfect.
miss.
Okay, and then 16. Okay, perfect. And then how about the number 4?
4. Mm. Negative 24.
Negative 24. And then how about the number B?
Negative 56.
Okay. Okay, Jay. I think our time is end. Uh, so you can do this by yourself, yeah. Or like this, if you want to check is that correct or not, you can do all the question and then you can send the answer to me. Don't just answer, you can send also with the solving. Okay,
Okay.
if you want, but if you don't want, it's okay. Okay. Okay, Jay, please now share screen and then do the task on the website, but share screen first, don't forget.
I don't have the website, miss.
I think yesterday we have do that website. Okay, I will send the link. Wait. Eh, that's it. Wait, DJ. Hmm. Eh, okay, the link I have sent the link on the chat. The username I think still Nababana. Okay. Okay, and then please go to kursus. Yeah. And then do the for yeah. Okay, Jay. I Anyway, where is the number one, Jay? Please go to the number one.
Eh,
Yeah, the number one. Please click number one. Just click number 1.
Which one, Miss?
No, in the up. Beside of 2, 1, 2, 3. Can you see 1, 2, 3, and yeah, number 1, number 1, number 1, number 1. Yeah. Okay, I think you need to swipe again and then click the checkbox. Okay, because the color is not yellow yet. Okay. What is the most difficult, Jafir, from the question? What is the most difficult, Jafir?
Need to divide it. When
Oh,
we divide it.
oh, I think when you need to find the simplest form, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Jay, thank you for joining our lesson today. And then see you 2 week again, ya berarti.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Masa depan.
bye-bye, Jay. See you next time.
Thank you, Miss.
Oh iya, terima kasih, Bu. Sama-sama.
Okay.
Please leave the meeting, Jay.
Okay.